A little bit colder weather today, so it was a good opportunity to do a Zuppa Toscana. My name is Jacob Garnica. I've been with the city of Fresno as a firefighter for 2 years now. The reason I went with that is because as the weather cools down, we don't always get to eat these hot foods. So as the seasons change, I try to accommodate to that. I started off with getting some olive oil in a pot, then I get all my ground Italian sausages in there, brown that up, and then I also did my bacon in a cast iron. While it's cooking, from there you can go ahead and prep your vegetables and your potatoes. Make sure those are all cut up so I can throw them in when it's ready. So I went with yellow onion, shallots, and then garlic. Now that all the veggies are prepped on the side, once that meat finishes off, pull the meat, drain them, and then from there you throw in your onion, shallot, garlic, cook that down with some flour. From there, you actually then add your chicken broth, bring it to a boil, throw all your potatoes in and start cooking those down. Once the potatoes are soft, get your bacon, throw it in, throw in your sausage. Throw in a little bit of bacon grease too, because it'll add some flavor. And then the last thing you're gonna do is add the heavy whipping cream and then the rest of your kale. Kale will cook down pretty fast, about 5 minutes. That last 5 minutes when the kale's in, I chose to throw in the bread, toast it up real quick, throw some slices of cheese and top it with some Italian seasoning, and then ready to go.
Not bad. You did good.
I tried. What we played was zilch, and fortunately I lost tonight. What happens with the loser is they're responsible for cleaning up the mess the cook made. So made it and cleaned it, but it's okay. I don't always lose, and it's fun. The guys like to have a good time, and we'll roll dice and just be a family.